Aloha! We just landed in Hawaii and checked into our Airbnb, and I'm so happy to be here. So I don't know yet what our plan is for here, but I think we're going to do some hiking, and for sure we're going to check out some of those amazing beaches. So we kind of made the mistake and didn't book a rental car here in advance. And like almost everywhere else in the US, it's almost necessary to have a car to get around. But it just so happens to be that a friend of mine from Switzerland is here as well. And he actually has rented a car here. So now we're going to meet up with him and his friends, and we're going to go hike up to Diamond Head. Today it's time again for another hike. We're gonna be hiking all the way up that crater. I love how the clouds can move here so fast and the weather can change in a couple of seconds. 1 minute it can be sunny and the other it can be cloudy and rainy. I hope the clouds give us a little bit of shade on our way up there. Otherwise I'm gonna be sweating so much. So we decided to treat ourselves for the next 2 days, and we spontaneously rented a car. They upgraded us for free of charge to this convertible. We had an awesome first week out here in Hawaii, and we finished it off with a chill day here in the city. And we actually still have 3 more weeks left where we're going to be traveling around some of the other islands here in Hawaii. So see you guys then. Peace.